Hey girlfriends, welcome to Sister Girl Second Act. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Sheila. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today we're going to be making a classic dish, one of my favorites, which is pot roast, except I'm not going to be using a big chunk of chuck roast. I'm going to be cooking medium-sized pieces that fit better into my small crock pot. I'm going to be searing the meat. Then I'm going to be putting it inside of the crock pot along with some onions and some other vegetables like carrots and some potatoes later on. But the seasoning is what makes it. And you know what? The longer it cooks, the juicier it gets, the better it tastes. And I swear it even tastes even better on the second day. Anyway, that's all I'm going to tell you. You know what to do. Go get yourself a drink. Go get yourself a snack. Come on back and let's get this party started.
So that does it for me for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope that you'll come back the next time. Also, please join me on my podcast called Second Act Rediscovered, Becoming Who You Are Again, featured every single Thursday, where we talk about what it's like in our second act, just regular old girl talk. So come on in. You can tune in on Spotify, iHeart, and Apple. If you'll join me then, I'd love to see you. Anyway, take care. And if I don't get to talk to you until next week, have a very Merry Christmas and be safe. All right now. Bye.